Bruner Fishing Posse is a family-friendly outdoor channel. Please keep comments family-friendly. Today's trout opener was all about the kids.
Good morning, guys. Guess what time it is? It's trout opener.
Oh no.
Oh, you're jumping out of bed already. I know, are you coming fishing? Are you excited?
Yeah.
How excited are you?
Like epic's excited.
Epic's excited. That's pretty excited.
Like 100.
Like 100 excited? Yeah, me too. You?
Super excited.
Super excited.
We planned to attend a kids' fishing day event where my dad and I could just sit back and watch the fun.
Good luck, Lucas.
Hi, Grandma.
I hope you get a big fish, you guys.
Good job, Noah.
Big catch.
Hey, you got a beautiful rainbow trout. Wow, what a nice fish. Good job. Here you go, buddy. Look at that hunka tonka. Uh-oh. That's a nice big one. Good job, Lucas.
Is this a keeper?
Yeah, it's a keeper. Congrats. Look at how shiny that is.
Now that.
Nice. Great big rainbow trout.
Wait, watch out. Let's go.
Let's go. That's a heavy one, isn't it? What do you got there, Lucas? Hey, there we go. Get that whopper in here.
Grab it.
Oh, it's a rainbow trout. Wow. Nice. That's a good one, Noah. Good job, buddy. Here. Bring it over here. Bring it over here. Let's go. Wow, that was a good cast, buddy. Go ahead and reel. Reel. Keep reeling. Reel. Oh, he's got another one on the Clio. Here you go, Lucas, over here, pal. We're gonna go all the way up to Daisy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Go grab him. I'll hold your rod. Go grab the fish. Good job.
Thank you, Noah. You're welcome.
Good job. There you go.
I got one here.
Get a hit.
Help me down, please.
Oh my gosh. Wait, take your time, Noah. Wait. Here. Oh, wait, take your time. No, just hold him right there. Oh, I might need a net for that one.
Thank you.
Thanks.
That's what usually happens.
Wow, that's a big, fat rainbow trout. Good job, dude.
Gotta get it.
Well, that's a huge one. Uh-oh. Wow, that's a nice one, Noah.
It was on the skin of the lip.
Here's a bat.
That's good. Stop right there. Uh-oh, don't lift them up with the rod. Open the reel up. That way it won't break the rod from...
After fishing, we of course had to stop and support the local business that makes the absolute best donuts I've had in my entire life. If you ever visit Northport, Michigan, be sure to stop here and buy some donuts.
Too high.
Dada. Look at that yellow meat.
Looks tasty.
In our household, we make use of the entire fish. I always put the fish scraps in the garden that act as fertilizer for the vegetables all summer long. Fish scraps work incredibly well as a fertilizer. Scaling and scoring the fillet helps make the skin crispy. You don't have to do this, but it definitely works well. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's content, please take a moment to like and subscribe.